Hello! So glad you are here and ready to learn how to read. We are going to practice together. Here we go! First of all, we're going to blend 3-letter CVC words with short vowel A. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. And the vowel will have a short vowel sound, like A, E, I, O, and U. So A, E, I, A. But we're going to start with the ah sound in the middle of these words. So first of all, we will see the word like this, and then we will break it up to practice blending those sounds together. T, a, t, a, ta, tan, tan. S, a, t, sat, sat. Y, a, p, yap, yap, yap. Oh, this is a nonsense word we're going to try. So a nonsense word means it's not a real word. We'll see a mixture of real words and nonsense words. B, a, v, bav, bav. D, a, da, x, dax, dax. F, a, z, faz, faz. All right, that was great. Now we're going to work on blending 3 letters CVC words with short vowel I. The short vowel I says I. I. Can you say that? I. Okay, here we go. Let's blend these sounds together. B, I, t, bit, bit. D, I, d, did, did. I, p, hip, hip. Here comes our nonsense words again. I, d, fid, fid, fid. Don't forget to say the whole word together as one piece, because sometimes kids will go fid and then move on to the next word, but make sure you actually blend them all together to say the word fid. G, I, k, gick, gick. O, I, lin, lin. Okay, that was amazing. Now we're going on to short vowel O to make the aw sound. Look at my lips. They look like an O. Aw, right? They make that round shape. Ooh, aw, t, lot, lot. P, aw, p, p, aw, p, pop. Good. S, aw, d, sod, sod. G, aw, k, gawk, gawk. Aren't these nonsense words funny? They sound so strange to us. J, aw, z, jaws, jaws. Ooh, it kind of almost sounds like a real word in a little bit, doesn't it? Like jaws. This part is our jaw, and more than one would be jaws. But that one has a different spelling. So this spelling is a nonsense spelling, but it would be okay if we're using invented spelling in our writing. B, aw, boff, boff. Another funny word. Okay, let's move on to our short vowel U to make the ah sound. D. D. Mud. Fun. I hope you like to have fun learning how to read. I sure do. T. B. Tub. 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 B. P. Bop. Bop. G. J. Gudge. Gudge. That's a funny word. Gudge. Gudge. See how we can break it apart like that? That's how we sound out our words. H. S. H. S. Hus. Are you starting to get it now? Hus. I know you can do this. You're doing amazing. All of this practicing is going to turn you into a fantastic reader. Okay, here we go. Short vowel sound E to make the eh sound. B, e, d, bed. These two letters, B and D, confuse so many children. So if you get the B and the D mixed up, don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of kids mix those two letters up. So our B-E-D, the word bed, actually helps us to remember which way they go, because that line that starts the B is like the end of a bed, and then the circle part is like the inside of the bed, and then the D is like the end of the bed line with the circle in the middle. So B, the line comes first, and then the circle to make the B sound, and then for the D, the line goes second. So the circle comes first and then the line. So b-ed, bed. T, e, n, 10. G, et. G, et. Get. Good. Sometimes we have to say those sounds a whole bunch of times, and that's okay. We just keep trying. W, e, z, wez, wez. P, e, b, peb, peb. It's kind of the beginning sound to pebble, isn't it? So sometimes being able to read these nonsense words helps us learn how to read bigger words once we have more practice with our reading. D, e, g, deg, deg. All right, now let's put all of those vowel sounds together. A, E, I, O, U. We will hear and see all of those letters in the middle of these CVC words. I know you can do this. We're going to not break them up this time. I just want you to see if you can read them. So I'll give you a moment to try and sound it out yourself first, and then I will tell you the word. Okay, here we go. You can do this. Bag. Big. Dot. Fun. wed, saz, a nonsense word. Did it trick you? Fidge, silly words. Bach, gup, debt. Great job today, everybody. I'm so proud of you for trying to learn how to read. This is the very first step of reading real words and getting into books and starting to be able to look at some of those words and read them all by yourself. You should be so proud of yourself for joining me today and practicing these words. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, as I will be making more very soon. Have an amazing day, and congratulations, you're on your way to reading. Good job.